Today we are discussing about inserting elements. Yesterday topics and previous day topics. Structure arrays and linked list. You are how to link list insert an element. Inserting at the beginning of the list. Suppose we already have a 5 nodes in the list and wish to insert a new in the beginning of the list. In case of generally you have a 5 elements, already you have a 5 nodes in the list and wish to insert a new in the beginning of the list. That elements are, for example, temp node, p node, x node, y node, z node, etc. These are different nodes in that one. Okay. In temp node you have a 2 parts, the data and node part. The temp part data is the 90, node point is connected to the next element, next node, that is the p node. P is the data is 14 and p next connection to the another node, that is the data 30, that node connected to the another one, that data is the 99, that node connected to next one, that is the data is a 15. This is the way of connection to the different nodes. Function to insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list. How to write that code on that one? Okay, why you can beginning of the code, that means add underscore big struct node star q dot int number. This is the declaration, the beginning of the code, struct node star q dot int no, struct node star temp ended with a semicolon, add a new node. Here template is the add a new node, add new node. Okay, temp node equal to malloc size of struct node ended with semicolon. Temp node implies data equal to number, temp implies next equal to star q colon with t, star q equal to temp ended with semicolon, the curly braces close. This is the elements of inserting an element, new element to be inserted in the linked list. Generally, what is the definition of linked arrays? Linked list is a small linear data structure. Unlike array, linked list elements are not stored at the contiguous locations. The elements are linked using a pointers. That is the header is the data. That is the first one. What is that is the header. In first box is known as a data. In second box is a next element. Similarly, second part. Similarly, third part. Similarly, fourth part. Similarly, fifth node. These are different nodes. What is a linked list? Is a linear data structure. Unlike arrays, linked list elements are not stored at the contiguous memory locations. Why are you using that linked list? Arrays can be used to store linear data of similar types. Arrays, what is the arrays doing? Arrays can be used to store linear data of similar types. But arrays have the following limitations. Some drawbacks from array. You have overcome that arrays, you can go to the linked list. The size of array is fixed. In array, you have a size in case of int a of 10. That is the maximum element is the 10, and that you can already define. So that is the size of array is fixed. So you must know the upper limit on the number of elements in advance. Okay, you know that what the size of array is the int a of 10 means that is the maximum elements 10. You know that what is the advance of that size of array. Also, generally the allocated memory is equal to the upper limit. Based on a of 10, that is the 10 elements, you can depend upon the 10 elements, you can memory to be allocated. okay, irrespective of the usage. If you are defining the 10 elements, but you can't use that elements to be used or not used. It is the first drawback in arrays. It is overcoming this linked list. Next one, what is the second point? Inserting a new element in an array of elements is expensive. In case of you want to insert an element in arrays, it is the more expensive because the room has to be created for a new elements. For example, you have inserted already 10 elements is there, you can another element to be inserted on that one. You create another room, and not directly you can insert into 10 replaced with 11. It is not possible to be created new element, and to create a room existing elements have to be shifted. These are some limitations in arrays, but linked list these are not available. And if you want to insert in case of some elements, okay, what is the advantage in case of arrays? What are the arrays advantages? Dynamic size, easy of insertion and deletion. In case of the elements to be easy to inserting element, and these are some important in arrays. These are some importance in arrays. This way you can go to linked list. Insertion at the beginning of list supporting you already have nodes in the list and wish to insert a new in the beginning of the list. Temp, that elements you have your 5 elements. Temp is the header, that is the 90 is the data. Next one is the node. P, that is the P is the head, next is to the node. Okay, next element to be node. Okay, then go to that next one. That and this way you can go to different elements. It has to insert it into different elements. You can insert it to different elements. Okay, what is the function to insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list? Void add underscore beginning of the element. This way you can see this way you can then you can store the elements into different ways. Okay, different ways. So that way you can you can see this way. Okay, you can see this way. Okay, first one is over. You can go to the second one. You can go to the second one. Okay, second one. What is that one? Second one, insertion after any space node. In this one, in this second one, insertion after any specified node. Suppose we have a 5 nodes. Previously you can say that 5 nodes. Okay, 5 nodes in the list, and we wish to insert a node after in the third in the list. In case if you want to for starting or ending it, very easy to insert that element. In case of you want to insert an element in a third in the list, what is the process of element insertion depicted in the figure? How to the process of elements insertion is depicted in a figure. For example, P is the header, that is the data is the 90. What is the next connected to another element node? That is the data is the 14. That the node connected to next one. That is data is 30, and after you can have in case of inserting that new element, you have a one arrow from top to bottom. That is the temp. You can give that name is the temp. That is the 25 the data, 20 is the data. Okay, 20 is the data, and the node connected to the two connections. One is the 42 data, and second was the 99 data. That is the 42 data, and the second one is the 99 to data. This way, before insertion, you have this is the process. The insertion is going on. What is the before? What that operation you are going on? P. P node is connected, the data is the 90 and next to the 14, and similarly 14 next to the 30. After 30 you have a temporary data is the R is equal to new node. R is equal to new node. In previous we have two connections, so from temporary, one is the right, one is the bottom. After temp node you have a two arrows, one is the right side, one is the bottom side, one is the connection to 42, another connection to 99, this way. Before insertion, what is the after 30 we have a two connections in the node. One arrow connection to the 25, that is a temporary node, that is already have a one is the bottom node, that is 30 to 90 and 30 to 90. Now what is the previous one, that 30, after then you have a 90. In previous connection is a 30 to 90. He have a two connections, one connection that is a 32, directly you have a connection. After 30 you have a connected to another one, and that one what you are doing, 30 node connected to 90, that 90 node connection to temporary node. Temporary node is the what, that size, the tempo, that is a 25, that is the 25. After 25 you have a 42. These two are different. First one is the before insertion, second one is the after the inserting that elements. This way the elements to be inserted, this way the elements to be inserted, this way. Okay, see once again you can see this one. Okay, what once again you see what is the temporary, the process of elements insertion is depicted in a figure. Okay, P, that is a P, how many elements, that is a 5 elements. Okay, then you can the element to be inserted in a third position. After third, okay, then the P is connected to that 90 is connected to 14 connected to 30. After that you have a new element to be inserted, that is a before insertion. The 99 the connection to the temporary connection to the 99 and 42. Then after the insertion P, you can go to the after insertion, what that process is going in, 90 connected to 14 connected to 30 connected to 99, then 99 connected to 25, that is a 25 process. After then you have a temporary nodes, temporary. This is the after insertion. This process to be going on. This process to be okay. Going on. You are going to the next one, that is 24 hour. You can go to the next new one. Okay, here previous one, what that we have. Okay, insertion after any specified node, that is a before insertion and after insertion. Before insertion, after insertion. This is the before the insertion, that is the top diagram to show the before, after the bottom diagram to show the after the insertion. After the insertion. Okay, then go to the next slide. Then go to the next slide. What then here you can how to create a function to insert a new node. Function to create a new node. Now okay, function new node after the specified node. Okay, by add underscore after struct node star q, comma int location, comma int number. Y add underscore after struct node star q, comma int location, comma int number. Okay, curly braces started, struct node start m, comma star r into I, ended with semicolon. Temp is equal to q. Okay, one comment box is the skip to desired portion. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than location, ended with semicolon, I plus the for okay, control statement is over. Another curly braces started, temp is equal to temp. Okay, implies next. The temp implies to next element. If that comment box, if end of linked list is encountered, star p. If temp equal to null, if you have a temp equal to null, and that time what you have going, temp is equal to okay, temp is equal to null. Okay, then go to the next one. Then go to the next one. Then go to the next one. What is a function to insert a new node after the specified node? Okay, after specified node. In that one, what you have? Okay, curly brace start a print of. Okay, within a double quotation backslash n, there are all less than percentage d elements in the list, ended with semicolon location. Okay, bracket closed, ended with semicolon, return. Curly brace is closed, and another previous one you can open that curly brace, that is also closed. Here comment insert a new node. How do that in elements to be inserted? Okay, r is equal to malloc size of struct node. If the elements of size is available or not, malloc size of struct node r dot r implies data equal to number. Okay, r implies next is equal to temp implies next, r implies next, and temp implies next. Temp implies next is equal to r, ended with semicolon, that curly brace is closed. This way the insertion elements to be discussed. This way the insertion elements to be pointed. Okay, this way. What that one? Here you have insertion elements. Then go to the what is here? A function insert in a new node or after the specified node. Okay, curly braces printf. Okay, in printf statement started within a double quotation black session, there are less than percentage element in the list, double quotation closed, comma, location, printf ended with a semicolon, written statement. The function is called from the previous one. What that one? That here a function to insert a new node after the specified node. The function inserted after a new node after the specified node. We are given the what the program given the already you have specified some particular place a function to insert a new node. It is a new node to after the specified node. What is the specified? Which node you are specified after that place? You have insert another new node. That way you have created that program. Okay, that way you have created a function to insert a new node after the specified node. This way you can program to be okay insert this way this program to be insert. A function is function to insert a new node after the specified node. Okay, the generally the in first slide you have only the declaration of the part. In this one you have a which place we can node to be insert a new node. Okay, where the location where the specified node. Okay, what that here r equal to malloc size of okay struct node. Which node you have inserted? That is the struct node. Okay, where that one r implies data is equal to number, r implies next equal to temp implies next, temp implies next equal to r, this ended with a semicolon. This way function to insert a new node after the specified node. This way the new node to be connected. Then this way the new node to be connected. Once again see what is the linked list. Link insert an element. Insert an element beginning of the list. Okay, suppose we already have a 5 nodes. Okay, you are discussing a definition. Okay, in case of what is the in a previous first slide, what is the temporary you have 5 elements, and that one in 5 elements we have a insert a new element in the particular places. Okay, and that when you have given that places. Temp, what is the 5 elements? Temp, what is the head is the temp, what is the data is 90. In what is that p is the another node that means that head, that is the 14 is the data, and similarly 30 is the another data, 99 is the another data, and 25 is the another, 15 is the another data. In that particular way we are inserting a new element after the third position, after the third node element, in this way you have created that one. You have created that one. Okay, you have created that way. Okay, that way. You can go to the how to okay, you can go to the insert is over how to the elements to be okay deleted functions. You can write any modification of that programs. Okay, then go to the next insertion is over, then go to the deletion, then go to the deletion of elements. Okay, already you have discussed about a different way of inserting that element. A similar way, okay, deleting an element, how to delete that elements. Okay, what that process we are going on inserting element. We have taken the 5 elements, on that one you have a particular place. After third element you are inserting a new element. The process is same, it is a reverse to that one. What is the deleting element? The process of deleting an element from a linked list is depicted in a figure. Okay, what the here done here, the process of deleting. Here already you have existing elements is there, and that one you particular one element, one node to be on to be is deleted from that from that the, linked list. And that one what you have do, you have you have see that one. What is the diagram here? Here similarly we have a 5 elements diagram is there. Okay, 5 elements to be diagram is there. What are that one? What is the before? You can see to A part and B part. What is the A part? A part is the P is the one node, that is the data is the 90. Another that node is connected to another node, that is the data is the 14. That is connected to another node, that is the data is the 30. Okay, that 30 node is connected to the 99, and that 99 connected to the 25. After then we have n means that is a null value. So after then there is no element on that one. Okay, that is no data. Okay, temp node to be deleted. In case if you want to create we can want to delete another element, and that one, for example, you can consider a 99 is I want to delete a 99, and that one what you have to do, you can give that name is the 99 is the temporary node. You can give the another name is the that is a node. First you can give that node name is a okay individual. You had given, for example, I consider that the first element is the P, second is the Q, R, S, T, etc. You can depend upon that is the head nodes. Okay, that elements what is the if you which want to delete that element, that node given a temp node. Okay, I want to delete a 99, and that one what I'm doing, what is the, again you can go to the, this is the before of deletion. What is the A diagram shows that figure shows that is the before deleting of elements. The diagrams to be before of elements. So what I have 5 nodes. So 5 nodes is there. First is the 99, second is the 14, third is the 30, fourth is the 99, and fifth, last one is the 25. After the 25 there is no connection. For that you can give it the name is the null. N means that is a null. Okay, then go to the second diagram, that is the after deletion. Okay, what you given similarly 90 is the same. You can, there is no changes on that one. For that is connection to 14, there is no changes on that one. Similarly that is connected to 30. Here also there is no changes. If you want then go to the next one. I want to, if you see that A diagram, what is the, I give that name is the 99 is the temporary node, and that one what I am do, if I want to delete the 99. Okay, 99. For that one you can give that name, temp node gets to deleted. I give the word name 99 to be deleted. I'm deleting what I'm done, delete. After deleting, the 99 is removed from the linked list. After the 30 next node connected to the 25th node, that is the 25th node, that 30 connection to the okay temporary head that go to the 25th. After 99 is removed means that is a deleted, that is connection directly, the connection directly goes to the 25th. The connection is, you could removing the 99, the connection is go to the 25th. What is the next element? What is the, there is no connection after that one. That's why there 99 to be removed. They removed it, the node gets deleted. Temp node to be deleted. This way you can deleting an elements. This way okay, this way you can deleting elements. Okay, this way you can deleting element. This way you can This way you can go to deleting some elements. Okay, from the, for example, okay, for going to this one, you can write a one program. Okay, you see that one, what is the, you can go to the, okay, you can go for new slide. How to delete it, you can write one program to how to delete the other deleted that one. Okay, how to delete one program. Okay, how to delete it in program. Okay, how to delete on program. Okay, write a program to specified from the linked list. What your function to delete the specified node from the linked list. See that program, where in a previous insert you have to delete, where delete dl struct node star q comma into number, integer number. Okay, struct node star q comma into node. Okay, struct node star old, that is already deleted, that is an old star, comma star temporary, that you have given name is the temporary. Okay, temp equal to star q. What the element to be deleted, that element to be the while temp not equal to null. In case of temp, if in case of the temp, if the elements to be temp, there is no chance to delete that one. Okay, if in case not valid, then he can there is no chance to delete that one. Okay, now you have to go to the curly braces starter. If temp points to data is equal to double equal to number. If you temp implies to data, a pointers and implies data double equal to number. Curly braces start. If within the comment is, if node to be deleted is the first node in the linked list. Okay, data number. Okay, in case of if node to be deleted is the first node in the linked list. If temp in case of data is equal to number, then you have a go to the first, that is the first element. If in case of that, if temp plus to data equal to number, then then you have deleted a first element. Okay, if temp double equal to star q equal to temp points to next, ended with a semicolon. The deletes the intermediate nodes from the linked list. You are given that the star q equal to equal temp implies next. This name indicates that the star delete the intermediate nodes from the linked list. This is the way the temporary nodes to be implies the next node. Else old implies next equal to temp implies next. Old implies next equal to temp implies next. Old implies next, temp equal to next. Okay, old implies next. Okay, this way you have going to that. Okay, going to okay. Okay, then you can go to the next one. Okay, continue. That is the continue. You can connection to the same program. Okay, in case that is the free memory occupied by the node. In this one, that comment to be free occupied the memory. In case of the free occupied memory occupied by the memory, free of temp ended with semicolon. That is a return. That is equal to return. Okay, curly braces closed. In case of that is a comments box. So comments, we have traverse the linked list till the last node is reached. Up to we have how many elements to be deleted. Up to we have, in case if you want to delete, that is the traverse the linked list until the last node is to be null. Okay, you can give the connection that is the last node to be null. Else otherwise you can curly braces start. Another function is that is the old is equal to temp, that is the old print to the previous node. If temp equal to temp implies next, ended with semicolon, star go to the next node, curly braces closed. Another curly braces closed, that is see out. Okay, elements no find, elements no found, no found, that is a number and l. This way the elements to be this way the elements to be discussed, this way the elements to be connected, these two are okay, these elements to connected in this way the elements to be connected, this way you have go to the okay, this way you have these elements to be connected, okay, this way the elements to be, this way you have a node from the linked list, function delete the node to the function, okay, this way you have a linked list to be connected, okay, this way you have up to we can discuss what the inserting element and deleting these two elements, okay, we are discussing up to inserting and deleting elements, okay, inserting and deleting elements, okay, then you can go to the okay, this already deleting that elements, another continue that go to the next one. What is the searching a linked list? In case of we want to searching the linked list, that is the searching the linked list, okay, what is the searching of linked list? Searching means finding information in a given list, okay, what is the searching means generally searching the linked list, okay, okay, searching the linked list. And previously you can discuss, in previous you have discussed about inserting elements in the linked list and deleting elements in the linked list, okay, two parts you have discussed about inserting and deleting elements in the linked list. Then you have go to the searching linked list, okay, what that is searching, how the elements to be searched, okay, in these two, okay, then we started that searching in linked list. What is the searching means finding information in a given linked list, okay, what that we have in searching, okay, in searching means finding information in a given linked list, searching a node with a given information, what that here you are given that, what that we have searching means finding information in a given linked list, okay, in comment what we have to search a node with a given information, is given some information, on the based on information we are going to the, okay, based on that information we are given to the, okay, based on information you are given, okay, that elements to be searched, okay, based on that information your elements to be searched, okay, okay, what that in wide search struct node star node 1 curly braces started into node underscore number is equal to 0 into node underscore number equal to 0 into search underscore node ended with semicolon into flag is equal to 0 ended with semicolon, node equal to address strat start cout less than input information of a node we want to search, okay, input information of node we want to search, in search node ended with semicolon, if node not equal to null, if cout list is empty and it is curly braces closed, while if node 1 equal to null, okay, curly braces cout list is empty, while node 1 if search underscore node equal to node greater than data, node greater than data, and this way you have a created, and this way created. Okay, and this way you have a created. Once again, if node 1 equal to null, curly braces started, see out list is empty, curly braces good, while node 1, okay, curly braces started, if search underscore node equal to node points to data, node points to data, then go to the continuation of that in the program. Okay, curly braces started, see out, okay, search is the successful, colon ended with a semicolon, see out within a double quotation information which we want to search is, curly braces close, there come the comment, curly, that is the ended with a colon within a double quotation, search underscore node, see out position from a beginning of the list, okay, ended with semicolon, curly within a double quotation, okay, less than node underscore number plus 1, node 1 equal to node 1 is equal to node 1 implies to next, implies are points to next, flag equal to 1, curly braces closed, within a curly braces we have discussed see out search is the successful, see out information which we want to search is the element, search is you are searching that node, okay, search under node, okay, position see out what is the position from beginning of the list, that is the node underscore number plus 1, what you are giving the based on that numbers, you are the number plus 1, node underscore number plus 1, that is the okay, node equal to node 1 points to next, that flag is equal to 1, curly braces closed, yes, okay, curly braces start, node equal to node 1, okay, points to next, curly braces close, node underscore number plus curly braces close, if not flag, okay, here we are under the conclusion given, what if you are not flag, in case of that one that is not a node, if not flag, that element is not a flag, if not flag, okay, if not flag, okay, not flag, see out searching is unsuccessfully, if in case of you are finding that word, if not flag, okay, flag, then your searching is unsuccessfully, see out information, another see out information does not exist in the list, search node endl, in case if you are finding that elements to be not flag, then you are given the searching is unsuccessfully, this way these three programs to be concluded, what is the searching element, okay, previous start from the starting and bottom, okay, searching means finding information in given list, okay, searching a node with a given information, wide search struct node star node 1, okay, and that one you have into node underscore number is equal to 0, into search under node ended with semicolon, into flag is equal to 0, node 1 is equal to at start address of start, okay, that programs to be started, see out information is the input information of node we want to search, okay, cn search underscore node, okay, if node 1 equal to double equal to null, and that what you have, if node 1 is equal to null, that means see out is a list is empty, node 1 is a null, in case that means that a program is the only that is list is empty, after then there is no nodes, okay, first one you have given the first box, you have a node 1 equal to null, in case what that meaning then list is empty, why node 1, okay, in case after the conclusion you can go to if while node 1, in case of node 1, if such node underscore node implies the double equal node points to next, and that points to next, and that one what you have, in case node point to say out search is successfully, if node is available, information which you want to search is search underscore node, and that one you have a search underscore node, search node, you are given that search node, position from beginning of the list, okay, and the column node underscore number plus 1, node 1 equal to node 1, okay, points to next, node 1 points to next, Okay, curly braces closed, else, else, curly braces closed, else. Okay, curly braces node 1 equal to node 1 equal to node 1 and points to next, curly braces closed, node underscore number plus plus. Okay, curly braces if not flag, if not flag, okay, see out searching is unsuccessful. Okay, see out information does not exist in the list, curly braces close, curly braces close. Okay, yeah, curly braces close, curly braces close. This way you can discuss it. Okay, this way you can discuss it on the particular way. Okay, reversing list. Okay, then go to the reversing linked list. That way you have a reversing list. Okay, what is the reversing list? Reversing list is the, okay, reversing list. Okay, in third one, what is the reversing list? Okay, in previous what you are discussing about inserting list and deleting, and the third one is the reversing list. Okay, that third one is the reversing list. Okay, previously we can inserting is concluded, or deleting is program is there, and reversing you can go to the reversing list, then go to the reversing list. Okay, what is the reversing list? Reversing list. Okay, the reversing of this list means that the last node becomes the first node and first node becomes the last node. Okay, what that here reversing list is very simple. This is the simple. The reversing of the list means, what that meaning of reversing list? It is simple. That is the last node becomes the first node and first node becomes to the last node. It is simple, guys. Okay, simple. This reversing list means it is the first node becomes to last node becomes the first. Okay, now see that program. Okay, simple. That program is to be simple. Wait, reverse struct node star x, that is a capital X. Okay, curly braces closed, struct node star q comma star r comma star s. Q is equal to star x, that is means struct node. Q define, you have a struct node, some node given, r is null. Okay, r is null, traverse the entire linked list. The traverse the elements to be traversed up to link of the entire link, while q not equal to null. In case of q, q always you cannot equal to null. Okay, curly braces started, s is equal to r ended with semicolon, r is equal to q ended with semicolon, q is equal to q points to next, q is equal to q points to next. Okay, q is equal to q points to next. Okay, r points to next equal to yes, curly braces closed. Okay, star x is equal to r. In case of what that one, in case of you have c, while q not equal to null. On this one you have a while q not equal to null, while q not equal to null, why q not equal to null, curly braces s is equal to r is equal to q, s is equal to r equal to q. Again that means that q is equal to q next points to next, then q points to next r points to next equal to yes. Okay, q points next means that is r points to next, that is simple. Okay, where s is equal to r is equal to q. Okay, q is equal to q points next means that r is equal to r points next is equal to s, curly braces closed. Okay, star x equal to r ended with semicolon, curly braces closed. Okay, what is the reversing list? Reversing a linked list. Reversing of the list means that is the last node becomes to the first node becomes to the last one. This way you can reversing that elements. This simple program you can discuss in reversing that element. Okay, in this way you have simply or reversing that all elements. The first node becomes to last one becomes to first one. Okay, this way you can discussing reversing that list. Reversing of the list means that last one becomes the first one, and first becomes the last one. Okay, here we try the traversing that linked list. Okay, white reverse struct node star x. Okay, curly braces started struct node star q comma star s comma star s star r comma star s. Okay, q equal to star x, that is capital, r equal to null, and with semicolon. Traverse the entire linked list. This is the point, the comment. While q not equal to null. Okay, curly braces started, s is equal to r, and with semicolon, r is equal to q, and with semicolon, q equal to q points to next, and with semicolon, r points to next equal to s. Okay, s is equal to r equal to, then q equal to q points to next, r points to next equal to s, curly braces close, star x equal to r pointers, that is a ended. Okay, curly braces close.